Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Sraswayar, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, right now I am here with one of the very good hiring opportunity by Birlasoft. This hiring is out now, and this hiring is happening through Superset platform. BTECH 2024 and 2025 batch are going to be eligible. I will tell you the complete step-by-step process, and this is also a employee referral 2025 program. So Birlasoft, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai. Before I go and explain you things, friends, I wanted to tell you, please do like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because you are missing lot of updates regarding the jobs which you can see here. So just now, some time back only, there is one hiring announced, that also I have made a video, and every day some hiring videos or the preparation videos you are getting, and you are missing that opportunity. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, so Superset is telling that tester apprentice internship off campus employee referral 2025, and here you can see engineering, information technology, and the CTC per month is 32,875 rupees per month. BTECH, CSE, IT, IS, ECE, Electronics and Telecommunication, EEE, circuit branches with programming knowledge mandatory. So we are seeking a proactive and IT service delivery apprentice interns to join our team. The apprentice will assist in delivering high quality IT services to our clients. Okay. Now, if you'll see, year of graduate is 2024-2025, 60% overall education. BTECH, same thing they have mentioned. So basically this is for the testing role. Assist in developing test cases based on requirement. Assist in developing the automation script. Execute the test cases as per the test plan. Identify, report and track defects found during testing cycle. And good communication skill, all those things is there. And here the salary is 32,807 875 rupees. Now, so if you'll open this JD, let's see what is mentioned here. And friends, if you do not know the employee referral, then you put it not eligible. Or what you can do on LinkedIn, please try to search Birlasoft employee, right? So please let me write here clearly. Okay, so please let me write here clearly, friends. For the Birlasoft, for Birlasoft, okay, they are asking employee referral. Now what you do, see, that's the reason I always ask you to be active on LinkedIn. So please search some Birlasoft employee and ask for the referral. Okay, you need to put their email ID. In case, even after trying much, if you are not able to get, then you put not applicable. But this is only when you are not able to get anything. And if I get to know anything, I will update in the descriptions of this particular video that this employee ID, you can use it as a referral. Okay, so job description: apprentice intern engineering graduate for testing role. So BTECH, CSITs, ECE, ETC, EE, circuital branches with programming knowledge mandatory. Sound knowledge or any of the programming language. Assist in developing test cases, 60% overall. 2025 and 2024 batch pass out, and salary is 32,875 rupees. Now, if you want to apply, so friends, what you have to do, so like this, you have to go, and here you can see you will be able to apply after you log in. So basically what you have to do, so you can see here register now, right? So click on register now. Array, it is loading, don't worry. Okay, now, so click on this login now. After that, you have to log in. If you do not have profile, you create it. If you have profile, then you have to log in, and after login, you will be finding this particular interface. So I have logged in with one of the user ID, and then you can click on apply. You have to then create a job winning resume in minutes, or use self-made resume, upload the resume, and then you will be able to apply for this particular role. Okay, so this is a wonderful opportunity, and I don't want you to miss any kind of opportunity. So please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Join our WhatsApp community channel, join our Telegram channel. Everywhere we are bombarding with you with the job notifications. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video.